Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the 5 most important terms and the 5 most important rules of accounting. Let us see the 5 most important terms. Those are assets, liabilities, expenses, revenues, and owner's equity. You should learn these terms and their definitions by heart. Let us see what is an asset. An asset is a property whose value can be expressed in monetary terms. It is money and other valuables belonging to an individual or a business. There are two major classes of assets: tangible assets and intangible assets. Tangible assets contain various subclasses, including current assets and fixed assets. Examples of current assets can include inventory or cash, while fixed assets can include such items as buildings and equipments. Intangible assets are non-physical resources and rights that have a value to the firm because they give the firm some kind of advantage in the marketplace. Examples of intangible assets are goodwill, copyrights, trademarks, patents, and computer programs. Also like accounts, receivables, bonds, and stocks.